Hello and welcome to our Python tutorial series. To start off, we're going to show you how to install Python. So it's pretty simple. So you're just going to head on over to your web browser and we're going to search for, we're just going to search for download Python. Click the first link, download Python at python.org. So the version we're going to be using in this tutorial is 3.52. You can download it from this when you click this button right here. So you just click that and it automatically gives you a file. You save that. Just wait for the download. So just gotta wait for that. So we're just gonna be using 3.5 because you'll notice throughout the series, we'll discuss some differences between version 3.52 and the version 2.7. But they're pretty similar, just some minor differences, some arguably pointless differences, but whatever. So we're just gonna wait for this download. It's taking a long time for some reason. I don't know, but anyway, just waiting. So waiting. Okay, there we go. So we're gonna run this file. We're just gonna install now. Say yes to all the dialogues. We're just doing express installation. We don't need to tweak with anything. And while that's installing, we're gonna just close the browser. We don't need that anymore. So we're just gonna wait for this to install. It's pretty simple. You just have to install like any normal executable file in Windows. And we're going to be after this installs, I'm going to just actually show you something else we're going to need for later when building Python scripts through both the console and in our IDE, which we'll be talking about in the next video. So this is about finished up. There we go. Okay, so now we have Python installed. So when we search for in the start menu py, we have Python. So what we're going to need to add an environmental variable to Windows for Python itself. So we can actually run Python through the Windows command prompt and use it later in our IDE. So first we're going to find the location of Python. So it gives you a shortcut. You're just going to go once again to open file location. And here we have this directory. So we're going to just keep this like this, set this aside for later. And what we're going to do now, we're going to open the start menu and we're going to search for envi. So if you don't have it automatically for some reason, you can just you just find this PC, the longer way. So you find this PC, you're going to right click and you go to properties and you're going to go to advanced system settings. And here, we can close this now, we're going to see environmental variables. So that's what we're looking for. Okay, so down below here, you can see you're going to click this edit, not the one above, the one below. Well, actually, we're going to look for one called path. And then we're going to click edit. Path is capital P and lowercase ATH. So here we go. Here are some environmental variables from path, and we're going to add a new one. We're going to create a new one. So we're going to click new, and then we're going to copy this directory. So we're going to copy that. And okay, so new, copy, and that's it. And in case for safe measure, sometimes I'm not sure myself, but I like to add the actual executable files. So we can do the following. Hold on, let me just find the, actually, let me just take this and we're just going to say slash, and I'm casting up on the keyboard. So slash python.exe. And I believe, yeah, that checks out. So, okay. So just in case we need something. So now everything's set up and ready to go for Python, using Python. And in the next tutorial, we'll actually be showing how to set up our customized IDE, which I hope you tune into. So that pretty much concludes the tutorial. We hope you enjoy this series.